Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Vicky David. Today I will recite a poem The Sick Rose by William Blake. I will not only recite the poem but I will analyze it thoroughly, not but briefly, because we have short time. So let's recite the poem first. The poem starts like this. O rose, thou art sick. The invisible worm that flies in the night, in the howling storm, has found out thy bed of crimson joy, and his dark, secret love does thy life destroy. So this is 6 lines poem, very short and simple, but very allegorical and symbolic. Look here, when we talk about William Blake, we cannot forget symbolism. Symbolism is part and parcel of his poetry. What does the symbol mean? Symbol means something which has the deeper meaning, that means something else. So in this poem we have many symbols. So let's see from the beginning. Rose. Rose is a symbol of love, peace, comfort, if I say so. And we have second symbol, that is invisible worm. That invisible worm might be the destroyer of the peace, the tormentor of the mind. Maybe that invisible worm is someone, maybe a tension, a psychic trauma that is disturbing the rose-like comfort or peace or love. So in this poem we will see how comfort and conflict both are playing together. So we will see that how at the end of the poem this invisible worm is being successful in destroying the peace of the lover. That means the rose, or maybe the peace, if we can say so, the peace of the beloved, because rose is always associated with beauty, a beauty, or maybe you can say a pretty woman or a girl. And here invisible worm is always being shown in the negative light. So you see that how negative light, how negative force is influencing the positive force, that is rose. So in this poem, the more you go inside, the more meanings you will come out with. So this is all we can analyze it in a brief time. Thank you.